Is it time to buy or sell Janover stock? In this video, we will delve into the details surrounding Janover. Our initial report was published on our website on the 7th of April, 2025, and now we aim to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell so you can stay informed about our latest analyses. You won't want to miss any critical updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Leverage the power of AI to receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be interpreted as financial advice. Since the 7th of April, 2025, our system has rated Janover as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations, but currently reflects a loss of 0% since our initial hold or accumulate recommendation. A score of 0 suggests that our system predicts high volatility and risk for the next trading day. Given the latest developments, we cannot ascertain the stock's future direction as it could move in either direction. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of 5.39% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 86.84% to 5.39%. Considering the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of negative 34.63%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 97.23% to negative 89.70% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $1.05 and $3.88. Our latest daily update for Janover includes the headline, Significant Movements in Janover Incorporated Stock Price on Monday, with a fluctuation of 318.2% between high and low. The Janover Incorporated stock price increased by 842.5% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 7th of April, 2025, rising from $4 to $37.70. During this trading day, the stock fluctuated 318.2%, with a low of $11.59 and a high of $48.47. Although the price has declined on 5 of the last 10 days, it is still up by 719.57% over the past 2 weeks. The trading volume also saw an increase on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical sign. In total, 25 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day, with approximately 25 million shares exchanged for around $934,790,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $48.47, while the lowest price was $3.37. Currently, the price is 22.22%, or $10.77, below the 52-week high of $48.47, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. In a significant development for Janover Incorporated, leaders from the cryptocurrency industry, including a former team from Kraken, have acquired majority ownership of the company. This move positions Janover, traded under the ticker JNVR, to potentially bridge the gap between traditional finance and decentralized finance. The newly appointed Chief Executive Officer, Joseph Onorati, along with Chief Investment Officer Parker White, is set to steer the company towards becoming a key player in the Solana ecosystem, similar to MicroStrategy's role in Bitcoin. In the short term, this acquisition may generate a surge in investor interest, translating to increased stock volatility as market participants assess the broader implications of Janover's strategic shift. The leadership change is likely to inspire confidence in innovative initiatives, especially given Janover's recent impressive financial results, including a 488% increase in software-as-a-service revenue. In the longer term, Janover's focus on artificial intelligence-driven solutions and partnerships within the commercial real estate sector could establish a robust growth trajectory. As the company expands its product offerings, it strengthens its recurring revenue model. This diversification strategy, combined with its new leadership's vision, could enhance investor perception and support a healthier stock performance, cementing Janover's place in the evolving financial technology landscape. Analysts have assigned Janover stock a general strong sell rating. They have classified the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have also rated the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Janover. Janover Incorporated stock shows buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, which suggests a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship of these two averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. During downturns, support is anticipated at the price levels of $9.56 and $5.42. A drop below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, February 27, 2025, and the stock has since increased by 881.77%. Further increases are expected until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, a buy signal is also present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. The trading volume is rising in tandem with the price, reinforcing this as a strong technical indicator. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots suggest a buy signal from 28 days ago. Bollinger provides a buy signal from 31 days ago. The short-term moving average shows a buy signal from 2 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 10 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicates a sell signal from 3 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a buy signal from 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal from 2 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Janover. Currently, there is no support from accumulated volume beneath today's level. Given the right conditions, the stock may experience significant declines in the upcoming days. This stock is prone to considerable movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility, and with a broad prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is categorized as high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $36.88 between its highest and lowest points, which is a staggering 318.20%. In the last week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 83.31%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Janover, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Even well-established companies can go through challenging periods, often due to factors outside their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest inadequate profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 13th of May, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Janover. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which suggests that the stock could move upward swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, you might want to consider entering a position and using volume to determine when to exit. Conversely, there is no significant support from accumulated volume below, indicating that the stock could potentially drop sharply under certain conditions. It is advisable to proceed with caution and consider placing bets only if you are an experienced trader who understands how to navigate these situations. The combined average rating for Janover from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock is older than 3 months. The latest trade occurred on the 9th of September, 2024, when Bruce Rosenblum conducted an insider sale of 56,250 shares of restricted stock units. Our recommended stop loss is set at $36.52, reflecting a decrease of 3.12%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which contributes to a higher level of risk. The 14-day relative strength index is at 94, further amplifying this risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal indicated by a pivot bottom identified 27 days ago. Is Janover stock a good buy? Janover Incorporated holds several positive signals, but we still do not find these sufficient for a buy recommendation. At the current level, it should be considered as a hold candidate, meaning investors may wish to hold or accumulate shares while awaiting further developments. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation, moving from a sell recommendation to a hold or accumulate position. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 8th of April, we expect Janover to open lower by $5.11, starting at $32.59. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. You should not rely solely on StockInvest.us for your investment choices. By utilizing this information, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.